Wow, they're so bright. It's a type of jellyfish that is poisonous or will hurt really bad if it gets stung, so let's stay away. Go, Rara! Oh, that was so nice. Free ice cream. Just gave you guys free ice cream. How good is it? Good. Wow. Wait, let me see.
Look up what the crabs are.
Oh yeah, the crabs.
And that guy can even bury themselves.
Wait, hold still.
The crabs, Homer crabs can bury themselves.
Bury themselves? No way.
Look, see
Their shells are so awesome. Oh, I like that one. It's like almost like greenish, tannish. Oh my gosh, he is so cool.
Yeah, and then they pinch you, but the pinch is the pinch is not that bad as a bite.
Oh, the pinch is not that bad.
And these are
These guys are cool. Look at their shells.
Yeah, I know, and you can actually hold those ones. They are super tiny. They can't pinch you or hold them like that.
That is so cool. Which one's your favorite?
I think this one. See, this guy can have the little pinkish thing.
Oh, let me see.
And that guy can
Yeah, their spiral's cool. And their shells. Very cool. Love it. Who found these?
Daddy.
You are silly, Riker. A racetrack. Tacos? Good. You guys gonna go with Daddy to clean off the dinner stuff? Night swim! You boys are so cozy. Love it. Love you boys. Oh, thank you, Jack. Focus. Alright, night boys. Such a fun day. We can have another fun day tomorrow. Morning time. You guys went to sleep, and Daddy and Mommy saw these little things run across the sand, and I looked down, and they were these crabs. You got him? Oh my gosh.
Meet a bucket.
Try this one for now. You got the big... Oh, don't. Oh, nice. Okay, you got it. Wow. Oh, he's good.
He's good getting out.
Okay.
He's good.
Wow.
Wow, that's...
Jack, good job. Let me see. You caught the big daddy. The biggest crab yet. What are we making?
Fire.
Dinner, breakfast? We get some bacon, potatoes, eggs. Make some breakfast tacos.
Big chair on it.
Big chair? Okay. You got your breakfast taco? Breakfast tacos? What are Daddy and Jack doing? If they in the water, they fishing? Fishing, boys. Woo! Oh, you good?
A bar.
Bar, is it tasty? You've been doing some good swimming, huh?
Huh?
You've been doing some good swimming, huh?
Fishing.
Fishing? Yeah.
Fishing.
Jack's fishing.
And swimming.
Daddy's swimming, yeah. It's like
Swimming.
you do too, huh? That's great. Fun beach day?
Yahoo!
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 Oh yeah, so what did we catch here? What did Jack catch? We don't want to let him out, but 2 massive crabs.
That one is 2 crabs.
Oh, which one's the big guy?
And
2 big guys.
No, that's not.
Oh, yeah. The other one's bigger. You're right.
Bigger than 10.
Jack got 3 crabs. Baby, big guy, and another big guy. I don't know. Are they mating or is it killing it? I have no idea.
Little baby.
I think they're okay.
How many minutes did I let go? Take a picture of how many minutes did I do that. Take a picture.
Ah! Get it! What are you doing? Good.
Yeah. Spiky legs.
Nice. All right. Put it with the other ones. They're back. That is so cool. Did you fill it all the way up with sand?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got dinner. We got the leftover steak. We made some chili. Got a little peek if it's not too hot. There it is. Looks good. And then we got a little baked potato underneath. Feeding the birds. Oh my goodness. They're going crazy. They love it. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. Chili for dinner. Last night, snorkeling in the super clear Gulf of American water. We'll see how it goes. Do you see anything? Riker, what'd you find? Baby, let me see. Oh, put it in your bucket. You're on a roll. So many hermit crabs you're finding.
I'm doing in the pool.
You found them all in the holes?
Yeah. Why don't right in the pool?
Why did they go in those holes?
Why?
I don't know. Maybe that's where they live. Oh, baby, one of those big guys. That is so
And I got eat them.
Yeah.
Why your head?
Last morning. Bye, Padre Island.
Padre Island. Papa Island. We come back next time.
Heading home after a fun beach weekend.
Yeah!
Yummy, Jack? Good.
Why?
Yeah, we're going to Hawaii in a few weeks. Yep. Sound good?
Where are we going?
We gotta go home for.
I have a tortoise. I have rhino. You have a brachiosaurus? Brachiosaurus is so tall.
He said he has a rhino.
And he has a brachiosaurus.
Yeah, what, a broccoli-saurus?
Yeah, brachiosaurus. I have brachiosaurus by my house.
By your house?
Yeah. You tell me. I gotta show you.
Okay.
By my house.
K-Bob Steakhouse. You ready for some dinner?
Yeah. Dinner.
Good?
Yeah.
Yummy. Good? Cookies and cream. What do you guys think?
Cookies and cream. Cookies and cream.